So the plan is to run a diesel purge on my Hilux. Basically, the diesel purge is used to clean the injectors in your vehicle. This is what I'm going to do is I'm using injector cleaning product from Liqui Moly. This is not a tutorial or how-to video. This is more about how I'm doing things, so I'm not going to teach people how to do this. This is I'm not a trained mechanic, and you should get advice or get this done by a trained mechanic. So after quite a bit of a struggle, I have managed to connect pipes to the blue pipes to the appropriate inlet and outlet fuel lines on the motor. Now I've set this bottle up, used the tape to hold it in place. Since I'm the only one here operating it, I don't want it to spill when I'm revving up the engine. On the inside of the cab, I can see through the gap and see what's happening with my setup, right? So now these will go in like this into the liquid, and I will start the motor, right? I'm going to pour in the fluid and then start the engine. Alright, it has started working. You can see it's drawing in, and I don't seem to be having issues with the fluid management. Oops. The pipe needs to be kept in place. Okay. So the purge is running. I'm having inflow, outflow at the moment, no problems. My filter is upside down for too much for my liking, but it seems to be working. If you can hear me above the sound of the engine, what I'm doing is now pushing through the liquid through the injectors so they start cleaning out. I've taken it up to 2500 RPM, so I'm just going to take it above 2500 RPM and ease off for a bit. Let them clean out. This is the process. The liquid has gone down quite dramatically. So I had to stop the purge because the pipes kept jumping out, and I didn't want to create another problem for myself. This is going to go into the fuel tank, where it will do some good as well. Right, all the lines are reattached in place. Everything is okay, as good as it can be. Let's see what the vehicle does.